going to make a shape. Let's use the structure here. We will find the different options. We have to make the changes around it. So there we are. Add some more shapes. We will pick up the designs here. Add another paint there. We will use the shapes as well.